In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Substack emails. If your inbox is getting flooded with updates and newsletters from Substack, and you'd like to reduce or completely stop them, this walkthrough will show you how to do that directly from your Substack account settings. We'll go step by step so you can quickly get your email under control. First, open your web browser and head over to the Substack website. Log into your account using your usual details. Once you're signed in, you'll see the main Substack interface. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice a vertical panel. This is your main navigation menu. In that left panel, look for the option labeled Dashboard. Click on Dashboard to open the main control area for your Substack activity. This is where you can manage things like posts, subscribers, and various account options. Once you're inside the dashboard, stay focused on that left-hand panel. Scroll or look down until you find the option called Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This will open a page with different categories of options related to your account and how Substack interacts with you. Now that you're in the settings area, you'll want to locate the section that controls notifications. Scroll down the settings page slowly until you see a section labeled Notifications. This section is very important because it determines what kinds of emails Substack sends to you. Within the notification section, you'll see a list of different types of alerts and updates Substack can send. These may include things like new post alerts, comment notifications, subscriber activity, or product announcements, depending on how you use your account. On the right-hand side of each notification type, you'll see a small toggle switch. When the toggle is turned on, it usually appears highlighted or colored, and that means Substack is currently sending that type of email to you. When the toggle is turned off, it appears grayed out or inactive, which means you will no longer receive that specific kind of email. To stop getting certain Substack emails, simply go through the list and toggle off any notification types you don't want to receive. Take a moment to think about which messages are actually useful to you and which ones just add clutter to your inbox. You can turn off as many as you like, and you can always come back later to turn them on again if you change your mind. Once you've adjusted all the toggles to your preference, your changes are saved automatically. From now on, Substack will only send the emails you've chosen to keep, helping you maintain a cleaner, more manageable inbox.